If you guys have watched my channel for a while, you know I'm constantly having trouble with the mower tires. My old Craftsman lawnmower here, I don't even know how old this thing is. I've had it for about 5 years, but it's definitely seen better days. But, you know, I mean, a few years ago, I had the original front wheels on it and tires. And man, I was constantly patching. Nothing, I think the whole inside of the thing was nothing but plugs and slime. So last year I bought a set of replacements off Amazon, and you know, they worked a little bit. They're already starting to wear pretty significantly after just one season of use. The bearing was destroyed on that one. The other one, not as bad, but the bearing, you can feel it, the bearing is just locked up. There's no, it's not going to spin, so it would have been in the same boat. So that's why I was excited when WILTIRE reached out to me and asked me to check out a set of their mower tires. So let's open it up and see what we got. Now these, they make a few different sizes, a few different colors. I gave them the size I needed, and I wanted the gray tires, or the gray wheels, so it'll match the back. Let's get these opened up and check them out. Nice little name. Oh man, these look slick. Oh, look at these. Look how nice they are. All right, got the two wheels, a couple of caps, and let's see what we got in the spare parts, extra parts area here. Oh, new washers. Perfect. All right, let's get these on. And you can see I've already removed the old tires. I wanted to show you how bad they looked, but I didn't want you to sit here and have to watch me take those off. It's really just popping off a C-clamp and pulling them off. There's nothing special to that. So let's go ahead and get these mounted, and then we're going to take this thing for a spin around the yard and see how well it mows. All right, for this tire, we're going to take it. So I've kind of cleaned this off with an old rag, and we're going to put it where the air valve is on the outside, and it's really just as simple as slipping it on. Now, if you have room, we're going to put a washer right there. And then we just need to get on the, now we're going to put the C-clamp on. And for the life of me, I have never figured out a better way to do this. I don't have any of the specialty tools, so I pretty much just hold it and hit the screwdriver with a hammer, and it'll pop it on. Say it's not the best way to do it, but it usually does work. Oh man, that's going to look so nice. This is going to be such an improvement over my old wheels and tires. I'm so excited to get these going. All right, so you can see right here, I'm missing the little piece like I had on the other side, so I'm going to stick a washer there. And I put this on, again, with the air valve to the outside. Add a washer and a C-clamp. And again, try my little trick here with the... Get the C-clamp on here. Of course, I'm backwards. Let me switch around there. And there we go. We're in good shape. One of the biggest problems I had with my old tires is trying to get any traction. I mean, God, this is nice. It feels like soft enough rubber that it's going to be able to maintain a good grip. I'm really excited to go try these out. Luckily, I mean, we're just now in first week or so of March, but we're already getting some pretty serious grass growth. It's crazy windy today, but it's very sunny. So let's go in the back and check this out and see how it runs. All right, I just took this thing out and spent about 45 minutes in the backyard getting it all mowed up. You know, I'll show some footage, but you know, you can see this thing, God, these wheels turn so good. I mean, on the prior set of wheels I had and tires, you go for a turn, you just kind of drift a little bit and eventually start to turn. Man, the traction on these is just great. I'm really impressed with them so far. I did hit a few, a few thorns I saw at the last second and couldn't avoid them, but so far, didn't notice any holes or anything. They've maintained pressure really well. Really impressed with these tires. Appreciate WILTIRE sending them to me. Happy to check them out. I'll leave a link in the description with a discount code. If you guys are interested in getting some for yourself, go check them out and see what you think. I appreciate it, guys. You have a great day.